photography.
It is an innovation. The unibody design has saved redundant components to avert breakdown. Instead of mechanical bumper strips attached to conventional robot sweepers, this product adopts 11 sets of infrared receiving sensors for the whole body. Free Move is derived from driverless and cruise control technologies. With the Smart Road Condition Judgment System, it can recognize the whole body status and sense every inch of touch and change, according to which it would provide immediate adjustment schemes to avoid getting stuck physically, saving you troubles. When encountering ground at abnormal height, M300 can sense the change in the balance of the body and automatically avoid it. In the face of obstacles, ordinary robot sweepers would get caught, while M300 can be flexible and get around.